You'd be okay. Any questions?
No.
Should we move on?
Yeah.
Off we go then. When you say to do so. That was good. Well done. That's it. Roll your sleeves up.
This is a
What are you thinking then?
angle.
Angle, sharp bend, is it? At the end of the road, we're going to go left, please. There's lots of more 20 zones creeping in now, isn't there? Seeing more and more roads turn into that now. So left at the end of it. Remember, if you're not sure or you can't see, you can always give way. And at the mini roundabout, a left turn. That was a great pull off, by the way.
Oh, right.
This is bright.
Oh, yeah, because I had.
No, you're doing the right thing. Just get yourself organised to pull off. And then when it's safe, we'll move off. We'll take the next left turn, please. It's quite an open junction we're going to turn into, but you can see down there now, it's parked cars.
Yeah.
So you just need to be careful when you're turning. Look beyond the parked cars, make sure it's safe to actually go around them, because as you turn, they're actually right in front of you. So have a good look down the road.
Sorry.
It's alright. I can't remember the name of people say. Is it Christmas time?
Sorry?
What's the name of people say when you sneeze? Is it a funny name using it?
Don't know.
I don't know either. Right, turn at the end of it, please. I thought that woman on the scooter was going to drive into that fence. Did you then?
Yeah.
It's quite a steep little bridge to go over that for a little scooter.
This is a very.
And I want you to park on the right over there, please, where the in between the driveways.
There.
Yeah. And I want you to reverse back 2 cannons.
Okay.
Why are you laughing at that again?
Haven't done this in ages.
Well, you know how to reverse, don't you?
Yeah.
You know how to do the observations.
I know.
In your, go on.
This is suddenly where I forget everything.
Is it?
Yep.
In your own time, then. Actually reverse, yeah. No rush, just 2 cannons, or estimate.
It's a little bit rounded.
It is, so just keep away from the curb, but don't go into the middle of the road.
Makes sense.
Use your mirror if it helps. So that's 1 car length.
It's like 2.
Yeah, that's 2. And then we're going to read on the left when it's safe.
Shall I signal?
I would. Because you change your lanes, aren't you? And even though there's no one around, someone might come round the corner as you're about to pull out. Is that easier?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you make a mountain out of a molehill, didn't
Yeah.
you?
It's just because I haven't done that in a very long time.
Let's see how long it was then. I'll find in one of them. Because now you've mentioned it.
It's like a molehill there. No, it's
It's a
not.
big mole, isn't it? You're right, it's been a while. April.
Whoa.
And we are now October, aren't we?
Very, very long time.
It's not 5 months.
More than? No. 6, right? 6
Six.
months.
7
Yeah.
months.
Yeah.
We'll pull up on the left, please.
Where?
Anywhere that's convenient for you.
No. I can't do it now. It's rounded.
You can. You can pull over here.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not like a sharp bend, is it?
Fine.
So when you're pulling over, as long as you can see clearly up the road and behind you, and they can see you, neutral, and brake, secure your car like normal. And then rest.
Did I miss? I tried to put in neutral.
I think you flicked into high gear by accident.
Oh.
So yeah, you can pull over on a bend like it's not a sharp bend and it's quite open. If it was if there's houses on it, then it might be a different story, might, because people might not be able to see what around the corner.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it for today on the video.
Cool.
If you want to see a bit more of Sophie on the videos, I'll put a link at this point to her playlist. Take care, everybody. See you next time. Dead easy.